previous weeks ago, we were expecting na the 7,000 levels will be a strong support. Pero right now, medyo on the flip side na siya. Instead of a strong support, it became a strong resistance. Plus the yung the 100 EMA exponential line on top of the 7,000 levels, naging resistance line. So ito naman yung parang sort of, if you think about it, medyo reverse siya. Parang you want to see a strong breakout, parang you want to see na may support doon sa moving averages, diba? Pero dito, kabaliktaran, strong resistance, psychological number, which is the 7,000 levels, plus the 100 EMA line, which is the orange line rin. So, nag-bounce back siya. Pababa. Once it hit yung dalawang factors na yun.
Ito pare, medyo, I'm sorry, I have to interrupt you, but mag-slow-mo lang tayo sa nabanggit mo. I'm sure our viewers are also wondering, ba't nabaliktad yung dating 7,000 that we really like and think is the strong support? Ba't biglang nag-reverse? Bigla bang lahat ng tao biglang nag-reverse na ng opinion on this one? Anong paliwanag natin dyan, sir?
In a general na explanation kasi, when a strong support level, binasag yan, eventually, nagiging strong resistance na rin siya. So, when you check yung mga chart, price action, laging ganun yung tingin nyo. Let's say, di ba, nag-breakout. Let's say, nag-breakout siya from 7,600. For example lang. So, yung breakout ng 7,600 na yan, it will become a strong support naman. So, dito, sa nakita natin na galaw ng market, yung strong 7,000 na support, binasag niya with large volume, and I think it went down around almost 6,500 level before it parang recovered. Tapos yung 7,000 level mo na yun, naging strong resistance siya, tapos nag-bounce back na siya pababa. So, medyo ganun talaga yung yung parang in general, yung technical analysis, yung price action, when a strong, yung na-mention earlier, when a strong support ay nabasag, eventually will also become a strong resistance na rin when the stock or a chart consolidates. So, ito yung